Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So recently I changed my rear tire to Michelin Pilot Street Radial 140 section tire. Actually I was running 150/60 section tire on my rear for couple of years. I got the bike with Continental Contigo tires 140/70 section, but for me they were absolute waste tires. It was okay on the dry conditions, but on the wet condition it just skids away when we brake hard. Actually I did not have any confidence on the corners, so actually I love to corner. That's why I bought such a bike. So with such a faulty tires I was not enjoying the bike at any time. After getting the bike and using it almost for 8,000 something kilometers, I changed my both tires to Michelin Pilot Street Radials. For the rear I used 150/60 section tire because it was much wider and had much grip when we are cornering. On the it was obviously it is larger than the stock size. Actually we can feel that the bike has now a little bit lesser height on the rear end. So those tires were great, but the issue was as the aspect ratio changed, I couldn't figure out the optimum air pressure for the tire. For the stock tire we have the company prescribed air pressure. As I changed the aspect ratio, I couldn't find out that perfect point. The tire was getting more wear on the right side than the left side, so the shape of the tire changed. Even though the tire had worn out on the right side a little bit more, I had used it till its life cycle. So that tire gave me a mileage of 32,000 something kilometer. Yeah, that's right, 32,000 kilometers. Actually I paid 5,000 something for the rear tire and 4,000 something for the front tire. So overall the cost was 10,000 ish, something 10,000, around 10,000 back in 2017 to 2021. I have used that tire for 32,000 kilometers. Absolute best tire for my kind of riding. It is the best. It had amazing grip, good cornering ability, very great tire life, and it looked nice also. So I was in love with those tires. So recently the tire has worn out completely and started making too much punctures on it, so I had to change it anyway. So I went searching for the Michelin Pilot Street Radial 150/60 here in Cochin, but I couldn't find not even one showroom providing that tire. They all said it's out of stock and they are not receiving new stock. I guess it's due to COVID. I'm not sure if the Michelin has discontinued that product, but I guess it's due to COVID. I checked the Michelin website and noted that it is still in our India website, Michelin India website. It is still there, and I had already sent a mail to the Michelin team regarding the availability, but I didn't get any response still yet. I wanted to go to the 140/70 tire because it's a stock size. Due to the air pressure issue I told earlier, I wanted to go to the stock size, but not even one shop had the 150 or 140. Then I had to go to the Apollo Alpha H1 150/60 section tire because the Michelin was not available, obviously. I purchased it and I used it for a few days. Later my brother is working at Tamil Nadu, so he got me the Michelin 140/70 tire for me. The Alpha H1 was it's a very good tire. I was not having any issues with it, but I didn't want to go for the upsized one, as Alpha is only available in 150/60 section tire. So I actually wanted to try out the stock size, so I swapped the 150 tire with 140/70 section tires. So we are here. And the main change I noticed with the 140 tire is like the bike is now having more height at the rear than the 150, as the aspect ratio is increased to 70 from 60, and it is very much agile right now. I can flick the bike right and left easily, but for cornering I need to check is it having a comparable ability with the 150s, but the grip levels might be almost same, because both are same tires, just the size is different, although I cannot corner as much as 150. Also, I hope with the 140s I will get more mileage, as the engine don't have to push the heavy tire. Also, there's another reason why I chose the Michelin over the Alfa, because the Alphas are said to have around 15,000 kilometer life on the CBR. One of my friend got the 15,000 kilometer mileage. So actually I'm not interested in changing the tires frequently. That too for this much price, like 6,000, 7,000 for a tire is a little bit much. I mean, for the commuting, for the cornering and all performance riding it's okay, but for daily use and city commuting, it's not fair to spend that much frequently. If I'm going with the Michelin, I can simply ignore the tire life. For another 30,000 or 35,000 kilometers, I don't need to think about the tires again, and I don't have to spend anything. For now I have changed only the rear tire because it was complete. Front tire is still the old one and it is still running. Even after 32,000 it's still running. It might have some more life left in it, maybe 2,000 kilometers, I don't know. Maybe I will have to change it soon, but it's still running the old tire. Also, I didn't get any puncture with the front tire, I guess. Only with the rear tire I had the puncture issue, because it's much wider one, obviously. Yeah. So that's the story of my tire change. Hope you liked it. See you guys in another video. Bye bye.